Hello everyone, this is Resourceful Marcus. Welcome back. So I'm going to add 5 gallons of water to my aquarium and I'm going to show you how I do it. 5-gallon bucket of water, 5-gallon pail of water. And what I use is I have this pond slash marine pump. I got a couple of these, so you can use that pump externally. This pump here I got on Amazon. Tremendous flow. I think it pumps 2,000 gallons per hour or more. Anyways, I'm going to show you how I do this. How I take and put that in my 5-gallon pail of water and then add it to my aquarium. Okay. So just give me a moment here, I gotta set up. Forgive me for the shaky camera work, as I'm a one-man show, as you know. It's okay, I guess sometimes it's better to be your own one-man operation or one-woman operation. Alright. Yeah, the lighting's probably kind of crappy, so let's turn this on. There we go. Okay. Alright. Bear with me for a brief moment. Thank you. Okay. Let's get the camera set up here for what I gotta do. Okay, so like I say, just bear with me. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it very much. Like, comment, share, subscribe if you want. It's up to you. I'm not going to force you to do what you don't want to do. Just give me a moment. I got to get the pail of water. Okay, 5-gallon pail, bucket of water. This is fresh water, not salt water aquarium. Okay. Alright, so now I got to bring over that pump. Be right back, I got to bring over the pump. Pump for the water. Fill the aquarium. Pump, pump. There it is. So this is an internal external pump which you can get on Amazon. You can use it for ponds, aquariums. Great little pump, very quiet, very effective. Now, this here is the tube that I have because I have 3/4 inch PVC hooked to this. Okay, now, just bear with me. One-man operation, forgive me because the camera work's going to be shaky a bit. Gotta turn this around. Okay, now you can probably see the PVC a little more, the white PVC that I have attached to this pump. So I just had this stuff around and I said, you know what, I'm gonna make, because I wasn't using the pump, I said, you know what, I'm gonna make my own little apparatus here to fill my aquarium. Got my 3/4 inch tubing on here. Now, put that in there like that. And what I like about this unit here is I can pause it as I'm filling it, because you gotta be careful. I'm gonna tell you one thing right now. When you're doing this, when you do this like this, and you have the tube in there and you start filling it, if you leave the tube in there and you turn this off, and you still have your fill tube in there inside the aquarium, it'll start to siphon the water back out. I accidentally forgot about that myself, and it did that. So now what I do is when I plug this in like this, the pump's already in the pail, and it's gonna start doing what it's got to do. It's bubbling right now. Pull out like that, and it'll start flowing here in a moment. Okay, goes. This thing pumps this water pretty quickly here. I have it on the lowest setting, pumping it in, filling up the aquarium. That's what I'm doing it for now. Up as much as I can. Careful, I put it on the feed, so that pauses it. There's on the controller here, there's a little feed button where you can pause the motor for a moment. Overflower. I'm gonna put some more water in there. Water going. Like I say, don't leave this tube in when you turn it, because it will start to flow back the other way, which you don't want it to do. Pause it for a moment, take the tube out, because what will happen, you'll start to transfer the water backwards. It'll siphon and it'll come out, and you're going to have a big mess everywhere. Okay, take it off the feed, which is the pause, and the motor will prime itself again, and it will continue pushing here. It'll start pushing more water in. There we go. Adding there. Pretty simple. A little more. Put some more. Takes a moment because of the way I got the hose. It's pushing the air. There it goes. On there, up some more. And up some more. I would say that's good right there. Like so. And I do this every 10 days because the water evaporates, and I'm going to do something after. I got a couple slots here. I'm going to cover them a little more, and that's probably going to slow some of the evaporation down. Give it just one more shot, a little bit. Alright, so now this This motor will actually shut off this pump because it has a run dry on it. It has a run dry feature. Alright, there. Bring the tube back out like that. Some of the water's gonna come out of her. And then I'm gonna unplug this now. So that's the controller for this unit. These are really amazing little pumps. They're very powerful. They move tremendous volume of water for aquariums or small ponds, because you can use them indoor or outdoor. Now, I don't know, in the cold, I'd probably suggest not leaving it in your pond in the cold weather because it'll probably crack. So that would be a no-no. There, it's unplugged now. And yeah, pretty simple. Anyways, outdoor, indoor, pond marine pump. These can be found on Amazon. It can be used in fresh or salt water, either or. It has a ceramic shaft for the pump, so there'll be a lot of life in this unit. Service it with the ceramic shaft. The wear on it is a lot. Yeah, like I say, very quiet. That's how I feel. Okay, you can like it or not like it. That's up to you. Hopefully this video gives you a little bit of an idea how you could fill your aquarium instead of having to pick up the big 5-gallon pail and trying to dump it in. In the future, I might make something different. I might go under the house and rig up some type of plumbing where I can fill it. But this is what I do for now. Pretty easy. Easier than picking up the 5-gallon pail and having to hold it on the edge of the aquarium and dumping it in. So now this aquarium is good for 10 days. Every 10 days I put the water. As water evaporates, right? So every 10 days. Thank you for watching. This is Resourceful Marcus signing off. See you again.